Hello, everybody. Again, this is Niall from Best RV in Trolla, California. What I'm presenting behind me is a brand new 2025 Keystone Springdale 224 ML. Perfect. A small 24-foot travel trailers with a slide out and a lot of amenities. And I'm going to go in detail outside quick and we go inside. Springdale made by Keystone. Typical, they give you the 3-year structure warranty, 1 year tip to tip, 12 years on the roof. Come with a nice diamond plate in the front, solar prep on the front, two propane tank with electric tongue jack in the front, and then you have the pass-through storage. And then you could see it has the solar panel. It's a 220 watt solar panel with inverter prep and the controller come with the unit. Port stabilizer jack, nice entry handle, power on LED, sandy flush to flush your tanks, spare tires with the covers in the back, outside ladder, leopard expandable, backup camera expandable, and a full spare tire and a cover. Coming down here, you will see the 30 amp plug and the cable hookup. It has a big slide out, even it's a 24-foot, but it has the big slide out, city water connection, fresh water connection, and endless hot water heater. So it has everything all these big unit has, but a price affordable, where you could get it in your budget. Let's go inside the beautiful 2025 Keystone Springdale 224 MLC. It is a beautiful 24-foot travel trailer with a big slide out, and it has the two seating. So you have the sofa seating, and this is a jackknife sofa turned to bed. As well, there's a storage underneath it. Across from it, there's a dinette with a table, and this dinette has a storage underneath the benches. And you could have a nice conversation crossing each other. So people sit here, people sit there, and you have a nice place here for swing TV brackets and a TV. The reason why we don't put the TV here because we're price cautious and we want to get the price so low. I mean, you could get it from Costco, you get it from Best Buy, or if you want, you could get it from us. It's still cheaper than the manufacturer. The beauty about this table, they ask me now why you put this kind of table for two reasons. Number one, I could put in front of my sofa here, as you see, and me and the wife, we could sit here, play cards, we could eat, watch TV while we're sitting on the sofa. Also, they make it another way it's accessible outside. I could fold this table, go outside underneath my awning where I'm eating barbecue and do all the work. I could take this table outside. Also, if I want this table, I'll put it in the dining bench. I could do that. Also, this table drop down and become a bed. So multifunction on that table. That's the one they use it. The plug over there by the dining table is inverter prep. So if you put an inverter, this will become live. Out of storage, solid wood, not a paper. Big window. I want to show you how big the window in the dinette. So it's amazing, nice, high quality trailer. There's a place here for cup holders, for bottled water, plug for USB. And going to the kitchen, it's fabulous. Even 24 is so roomy. Number one, we have the 10.9, 10.7 cubic foot reefer, 12 volt. Nice cabinet over the 3 burner range and the oven. Big doors. Convection mat cleaner. Sorry. And huge counter space around the sink. This is a big country sink with a big counter space for his faucet. You can see it's very roomy. And then if you ask me where's the pantry, well, so they give you huge pantry, huge refrigerator. They give you electric oven, 3 burner range, big cabinets, and more big cabinet underneath the sink. This is your fuse box, place for trash can, and more room for all your silverware. So plenty storage, plenty kitchen, very roomy, very open, and give you more. From that, you have a beautiful queen bed, and this is adjustable, and you could sit on this bench if you want. Does give you ability. Easy to get, easy to walk around. Also, if you want to put a king size mattress with this floor plan, no issue. Just take this mattress, throw it outside, and put a king size mattress. It could accommodate that. Does not interfere with anything. Full storage underneath if you like. Price, again, you're going to say, now what are you talking about price? Price, we assure you, no one will match that price. Our goal at Best RV, and I'm going to say it from video to video, is we're getting you price no dealer in the state of California could match, and even if they try, we're going to beat them. Bathroom. How big this bathroom? Look how roomy. Nice mirrors, prepping area on the left side, big shower, standing at my elbow. Look at my elbow, look at my height. And then you have a fan with a vent. So take all the smoking from the hot water and the smell. No issue for knees. And is a full product. So this is the 224 MLS. I love about this floor plan, not too big, not too small, very roomy, and it gives you a lot of storage and give you all the amenities of the big travel shows. Come to Best RV, the place where there's no hidden fees, free get ready package. We make everything ready for you at no cost, just all you need to come and buy it and enjoy it and go camping.